Threads. Pausing execution with sleep. Thread.sleep causes the current thread to suspend execution for a specific period. In order to suspend the execution of the current thread for a specific time period, thread.sleep can be used. It's an efficient method of making the processor time available to other threads. So in order to give a chance for other threads, the thread.sleep can be used for the current thread. So making processor time available to other threads of an application or other applications that might be running on the computer system. So that is the use of threads. Two overloaded versions of sleep are provided. So there are two versions of the sleep. One accepts sleep time in milliseconds, the other in nanoseconds. Although we specify the time, but they are not guaranteed. That's an important point. The sleep times are not guaranteed. They are limited by the facilities provided by the underlying OS. It depends on the facilities provided by the underlying OS. Sleep period can be terminated by interrupts. So this is a demo of the sleep. We have class thread sleep demo, public static void main, and we have to throw the interrupted exception. Since we have only one thread, we don't have to catch the exception. We have a string array and we are printing the items in the normal for loop, and inside we have the special line thread.sleep 4000. So it paused the thread for 4 seconds. So this is sample code for thread.sleep. So we already discussed that main thread declares that it throws interrupted exception. It's an exception that sleep throws when another thread interrupts the current thread while sleep is active. Since we have only one thread and this application has not defined another thread to cause the interrupt, it doesn't bother to catch interrupted exception. So let's run this code. We have the class thread sleep demo, public static void main, which throws interrupted exception. We have information here that we need to print. We have the for loop, and we have thread.sleep. If we clear the output, console output, and if we run this, after 4 seconds it will print 1. Next it will print 2 after 4 seconds. Next it will print 3, and finally 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 printed. So if we comment this thread.sleep, you can see the difference. When we have the thread.sleep,